How to clear your Netflix history. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can clear your Netflix history, so you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear your Netflix history, Netflix keeps two types of history. One is your continue watching, one is all of the series that you've already watched in the past. So to figure this out, as for the continue watching one, we want to open the Netflix application, then just sign in to one of our profiles here. Once you log into one of our profiles, we need to come to the explore tab like this, and then just scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option called continue watching for this profile. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually tap the three dots icon next to the profile or next to the continue watching series. Then just tap the remove from row button, tap on the OK button, and it's going to successfully remove from your continue watching. Then after you've done that, the another type of history is all of the shows that you've already watched. Now for this, we cannot use the app, we have to use our browser. So basically just open up your browser, go to netflix.com, then sign into the account. Then you want to tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen here. Then you want to go to the option called account, as you can clearly see. Once you go to account, scroll down under the profiles tab, select the profile that you would like to delete the history for, and then just tap the option called viewing activity and then tap on it. Once you tap on viewing activity, here you'll be able to see all the viewing activities of this profile. You can just tap the cross dot icon on the right hand side to delete a specific show or an episode, or just scroll down to the bottom and then select the option called hide all. Once you tap the hide all, you can choose to delete all of your viewing activity just like this. This is how you can clear Netflix history. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.